Everyone, it's Morgan Yates, and today I'm doing a Trader Joe's haul because today I went grocery shopping for the first time in almost 3 weeks, and it's probably the most exciting thing I'm gonna be doing for the next 3 weeks again. So you guys always like these videos, so hopefully you get some new ideas of some new products to try, or maybe some meal ideas, or just a little something like that. I'm also going to be doing probably either my next video or the one after, doing like an easy one-person meal ideas video, which I've done in the past as well. So I'm not gonna spoil everything and give away all of my meals as I go through these items, but keep an eye out for that and you will get some more meal ideas soon. So if this is the first video you're seeing of mine, I would love if you would subscribe. We're gonna go ahead and hop in. I'm gonna start with my frozen items because I think there's some, I don't know, I always like seeing new frozen things because I don't really pay attention when I walk through the frozen section. Not gonna say much about these, but these are just a constant repurchase for me. The cauliflower gnocchi, as well as this Japanese style fried rice. I haven't even tried just like the regular veggie fried rice at Trader Joe's, so let me know if it's good or if it's better than this if you've had this. Really thought someone was breaking in. I don't know how because I was watching. Our vacuum just fell over, no worries. If you've tried that one and this one, let me know which one's better, but I think the flavor is so good of this little Japanese fried rice. Next up, something I've never tried but thought I would buy today is just this sweet and sour chicken, because as I learned towards the tail end of my groceries, like the past week, I've just been so lazy with cooking and I haven't dug too much into the frozen things that I bought in the past, but I thought I would pick up a couple fun things. Another repeat purchase, one of my favorite little desserts, which are just the mini hold the cones. They're these tiny little like individual baby ice cream cones. Comes with 8 in a box. These are so good. These are the ones with chocolate ice cream on the inside. They have vanilla as well. And then during Christmas, they have like peppermint ones that are so good that I wish they would keep year round. But those are a good little go-to sweet bite at the end of the night. Next up, I've never bought frozen cherries, but I don't know why. I thought I wanted to spice up my smoothie game. I thought this would be good with maybe like some chocolate protein powder, some banana, something another, like a little chocolate cherry smoothie. I've also never bought frozen shrimp, but I'm going to try to recreate, if you've ever been to Bonefish Grill, the restaurant chain, they have these bang bang shrimp that my mom recreated at home. So in North Carolina, where the rest of my family is quarantining, apparently they had a really bomb bang bang shrimp dupe. It's just like a good little like sriracha chili flavor. You'll see, I'll show the other ingredients I got for it later, but just picked up frozen shrimp for that. Another frozen item, this was a little damaged in transit. I've never tried this. This is the orange tomato mozzarella little pizza. Orange. It says organic. If you saw over on Instagram a week ago, Adrian and I basically like posted this little fake trip to Cabo. It was just like a taco night. We were making tacos, but I like tried to decorate like we were in a tropical location and whatever. And it sparked the idea that now every weekend we're going to be traveling to a different international destination. So actually this weekend we're doing Greece. When this video goes up, you can probably go, I'll have an Instagram highlight on my Instagram, but you can go check out what we did for Greece. I think next weekend we're gonna do Italy, and I have a bunch of different things for that, but I just thought I'd pick up a little baby pizza as like an appetizer. I'm not really a big pizza person. I never crave it. It's fine, but I didn't want to have like a whole pizza for our Italian night. So I just got a little baby one. Another frozen item I got are these chicken enchiladas. I don't know anything about these. Didn't read anything about it. I just saw it and I thought, what could go wrong? Next up, also in relation to our Italian night in, I got this frozen fettuccine with mushrooms. Also, I've never had this, but I thought it'd be easier than making my own whole pasta dish. So yeah, that is for that. Next, I'll include this in my frozen section because I put these in the freezer, but I just got 2 little packs of fresh mint. I have a new favorite smoothie recipe involving this that I'm gonna show in that meal ideas video coming up soon, so look back for that and you will get the full recipe there. Next, just kind of like an exciting purchase. I already have acai packets in my freezer that I don't normally use. It's probably the exact same little packet is in this box that is just marked up in price. I don't know. I got an organic acai bowl that comes with some little toppings. There's granola, coconut, strawberries, blueberries, and banana. And it just seemed like something fun. I don't know. You know, I'm all about spicing up life these days. Next up, I got a couple little brunchy, breakfasty egg dishes, if you will, just for like a fun weekend brunch. You guys know, if you watch my vlogs, I have the same avocado toast every single day of my life for breakfast, but I thought maybe I want to spice things up sometime and maybe I don't want to put in a lot of work to do it. So I got mushroom and spinach quiche that we'll see if it's good, and then I got some little egg frittata bites with Swiss cheese and cauliflower. What is cauliflower doing in that? I am not sure. I don't know. They looked kind of like the Starbucks little bite things that are so good. Me and my friends, we've formed this fake little brunch club. It's literally just us going to brunch and like taking photos of it. Here's the Instagram if you want to follow it. But we're gonna do a little virtual brunch club since obviously now we can't go to brunch. So I thought that could be fun for that. Next, for when we go to France, I'm gonna look back on this like 5 years from now, hopefully when we haven't been quarantined in a while, and just think I sound like I lost my mind. But for when we go to France from home here in a few weeks, I picked up this little So this is also a frozen item. It is a dozen macarons, whatever. I don't know. I'm not French. That I just thought would be fun. I think Adrian's allergic to these. There she is walking up right now. At the thought of an allergy, she runs. So you get 2 of each of these flavors. There's fig, lemon, apricot, coconut, pistachio, and salted caramel. Pistachio is always my favorite kind. So this will hopefully be yummy. Hey. Hi. I think that is it for my frozen stuff. So next up, all right, actually this is just kind of gonna be in any order right now. Other fresh herbs I got some rosemary and I got some chives. This is just gonna go in a variety of things. But I love having some fresh herbs. I just think it spices up life a little bit. Next, if you in any way like tuna salad and you've not picked up the Trader Joe's tuna salad, you need to. It only lasts for a few days from when you get it always, so you gotta be snacking on it pretty quick. But I love this stuff. I eat it with these multi-grain crackers that are just delicious. Something about these crackers, I don't know, they're so good. Great combo, great little snack. Next, I picked up actually 2 dozen of the organic free-range jumbo brown eggs because I put these on avocado toast every day. They don't expire until like May 6th, so I thought I would pick up 2 dozen. That way, hopefully I can just not go to the store for a long time. Next, a couple other little things. First, I got their organic hummus. Focus baby girl. This is my favorite hummus from Trader Joe's. I like it more than the plain one with like just the blue lid or whatever because there are fewer ingredients and I've just come to prefer the taste of this one. I think it does taste substantially different. And then secondly, I picked up the vegan kale, cashew, and basil pesto. So with the gnocchi or with any kind of little pasta, we have a bunch of pasta options here. It's easy to just on the stovetop saute like some broccoli and mushrooms or something, get some veggies going, toss in some gnocchi, toss in some this, and it is a good little, very easy, flavorful dish. Top it with some Parmesan usually. Next, also for my avocado toast, I picked up a loaf of sourdough bread. I have another one in the freezer. That's just what I always do with them since I don't ever finish it by the time it expires. So that'll go in there once it is reaching its death date. Next, for some tacos, I picked up some little corn tortillas, and then I got a box of these fig and olive crisps. They look like this. They are super yummy. These are good for like a little cheese board. Well, I've been making cheese boards for a serving size of 1, but I'll show in a second some of the cheeses I got that I think are good and easy for like a little 1-person situation. Next up, a few saucy items. First, I just got this sweet chili sauce. I plan to use this as well as I just got some sriracha as some of the staple ingredients in the sauce for that bang bang shrimp spoof recipe. So we'll see if that's good. I plan to tweak the version my mom sent me to try to make it a little bit healthier. So if it turns out good in any way, then it'll be in that meal ideas video. And then next, I just got some toasted sesame oil for no reason other than it just roped me in. I don't know. I saw it. I don't know what I'm gonna put this on. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for. But I've been making a lot of like Asian-y style dishes, especially like salmon and things like that. I don't know. We'll see if I tie this in at all. Next, I just got some more balsamic vinegar because this goes on my avocado toast. I put a blue dot on it because for things that Adrian and I both buy, we each have colored little stickers that we put on so that we can tell whose is whose because we each have a color. Next, I just picked up some more chili flakes to go on my avocado toast. And just for a fun little snack or dessert, I got some dark chocolate covered pretzel slims. Those will probably be gone in no time. Next up, a few beverages I got. I just picked up more of Trader Joe's oat milk. I do prefer the Oatly kind that I usually just get from Target, but they were out, so I just got some more of this that goes in my coffee and in smoothies. I picked up a thing of sparkling water, again for Italy or Greece or whatever for our little travels. I'm very excited about this, you guys. I have nothing else to do, so this is like my pride and joy right now is planning these little fake trips to over there. That's where all of them are. When I'm in Europe, I always love some sparkling water. I'm a big sparkling water gal, so I thought that would be fun. And then I just picked up a thing of orange juice and a thing of pineapple juice. This is for mimosas for our virtual brunch. And then this is gonna go in, I wasn't planning to say this, but I'm doing a video recreating Coachella at home, literally going so above and beyond. Please look out for that video because I've invested in this. I just get these ideas and I run with them and they are expensive. But I'm creating a little custom Coachella cocktail, kind of how they do there, and it's gonna have this in it. So next up, a couple of protein things. I got some fresh Atlantic salmon and then I got 2 little filet mignon steaks. Don't really normally ever buy a steak or cook it at home. Occasionally I'll buy salmon. Honestly, the biggest challenge for me during quarantine and cooking and everything like that is just cooking enough like meats, and I feel like getting enough protein in general, because typically, you know, in a pre-COVID world, I never really bought meat that much. I mean, if I'm getting weeks of groceries out of this, I still don't necessarily buy that much because I just don't enjoy cooking it. I don't know why. I would just rather cook veggies and things like that. I don't like cooking raw things. But right now we're getting over that. Lastly, we just have a ton of produce options. First up, I got a couple bags of spinach. I put this in pastas, I put in smoothies. Also got some kale. I like putting this in like little veggie grain bowls. Maybe if I get really bored, I'll make some kale chips or something. I got some green onions. I like these on tacos sometimes. I'm also gonna make a little baked potato soup recipe that I normally make in like the fall when it's cold weather, but it's just something to spice up life, so I'm gonna make it now. Next, I got 2 little things of cremini mushrooms and 2 bags of broccoli because mushrooms and broccoli are just my preferred vegetables. I could put it in anything. Oh, we still have our cheeses too. Hope you didn't leave. There's some good cheeses. Next, I got a bag of little shredded Brussels sprouts. My favorite way to make these is to roast these in the oven or saute them in a pan, whatever, until they're crispy. And then in a bowl, I'll mix up some balsamic, honey, and lemon juice, and then toss these in there. And it tastes so good. It's inspired by a Brussels sprout dish at Catch here in LA. So got that. I got a red pepper. This is for some taco stuff. Also just got a yellow onion for that as well. Or maybe I might even use the red pepper and the onion in a little like breakfast hash. Just got 1 tomato. Don't know what my vision is for this. Really no idea. I have some like frozen veggie burgers in the freezer that maybe if I get lazy, I'll whip one of those out. And then I have like some different things to go on it. Could be good to have a tomato slice. Next, I got an orange. I'm not a big orange gal, just in terms of like eating it plain. Not my fave, not my go-to, but this is gonna make for a little garnish in some Aperol Spritz drinks that I'm gonna make for when we go to Italy. Next up, I got a bunch of lemons and limes, and then I also picked up quite literally 10 avocados of varying degrees of ripeness to get me through all my avocado toast for the next few weeks, hopefully, as well as just to top like Mexican-y dishes with. Next, I have a few dairy items, and then I realized I missed some meat items. So for a little cheese board party of 1, I recommend you get some kind of like hard cheese, like a Parmesan. And then I love this little honey goat cheese with those, the purple box of crackers, they're kind of sweet. This is kind of sweet. I think that makes a really good combo. And then with this, I have it right here. I got a little pack of some sliced prosciutto. And what I like doing for this is kind of creating like a little cheese prosciutto roll up. So I kind of like cut the little pieces, and then I'll cut some little pieces of Parmesan and roll them up, and it tastes really good. That's what I like doing, a little of this and then a little of the crackers and the honey goat cheese for when I'm feeling a little cheese board wine night to myself. And then next, I just picked up a couple of the plain Greek yogurt. This is actually gonna go into making the sauce for that shrimp recipe. The version my mom sent was made with mayo. I'm hoping this can be an okay swap. We're gonna see. And then I just picked up, I have bagels in the freezer as well that I got a while ago that I like cut and then froze. So I just pop them in the toaster whenever I want a little bagel. I typically just get this like whipped cream cheese from Trader Joe's, and I still have some of it in the fridge, so I thought I would spice things up, try a new one. And I saw this onion and chive cream cheese spread, so we will see if that is good. And then lastly, for my tacos, I picked up this pollo asado that I bought this in college back when I just like didn't know how to cook, I think. And I don't even remember if it was good or not. This can be good in tacos, as well as I picked up another little soy chorizo that again is just so flavorful. I'm gonna show you my favorite taco recipe, how I whipped these up in my easy recipes video coming up in a week or so. So that is actually, I believe, all I got. I spent a grand total of $212.09, which is, I mean, more than double what I ever spend at the grocery store typically, but I'm stocking up for longer, as well as like 35 of that was on just like the salmon and steak. And you know, we're just stocking up. That is it for this video. I hope all of you guys enjoyed it. Leave me your favorite Trader Joe's recs in the comments so that I can try some new items next time I'm there as well. Hope all of you guys are doing well and staying healthy, and I will see you in the next video.